Okay, today we're going to talk about the first conditional. The first conditional. Let's watch this video and take notes.
Hello and welcome to today's grammar game show. I'm your host Will, but I'm not followed by an infinitive, just feelings of regret. And of course, let's not forget Leslie, our all-knowing voice in the sky.
Hello, everyone!
Tonight we're going to ask you 3 questions about
the first conditional. The structure that says something can happen only if something else happens first.
Okay, now let's meet our contestants.
Hello, Will. My name is Sean.
And contestant number 2.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Levington.
Wonderful! Fresh meat. Okay, let's get going, and don't forget, you can play along at home too. Our first round is an odd one out round. Which of these statements about the first conditional is not true? The formula is if plus present simple plus will plus infinitive. First conditionals are used for possible present or future consequences. The if clause can be at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle. You can use the present simple, continuous, or perfect tense in the if clause.
So let's answer this question. Which claim about the first conditional do you think is correct? Which claim about the first conditional do you think is correct? The structure of first conditional is if plus simple present will plus the infinitive, if plus simple present plus will plus the infinitive. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Truly, good. Okay. The second statement, read it. The first conditional is used for possible present or future consequences.
Yeah.
If clause can be at the beginning or in the middle. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? The first conditional is used for possible present. Is it okay? We made someone.
Okay.
We made a mistake. One of them is correct.
Sure. What are you thinking?
Well, I know that
So
A is correct because...
The 4,
Okay.
the 4 statements are correct. The 4 statements are correct. If plus simple present will plus the infinitive, it's used for possible present or future consequences. If clause can be used at the beginning, the if clause at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. And finally, the present simple and the continuous or perfect tense in the if clause. Okay.
Sean, what are you thinking?
Well, I know that A is correct because if I am hungry, I will eat. And I know that is correct. And I'm pretty sure that...
What did he say? If you are hungry, if you are, write down this sentence.
Okay.
If you are hungry, you will eat. What will you do? You will eat. If you are hungry, you will eat. So it's possible. It's possible. If you are hungry, comma, you will eat. You will eat. So if plus simple present, Idina will plus the infinitive. If you are hungry, comma, you will eat. So here it's possible. Okay, it's used for possible present. Got it? So if you start with if you are hungry, you will eat. You will eat if you are hungry, right? Okay.
D is correct, but I don't know about the others.
Good thinking. Levington, how about you?
Well, I'm confident that B is true because I remember reading that even though we use a present tense, it has a future meaning. For example, if I stay the extra day, I will be late next week.
And I'm certain you can put if in the middle. I will be late if I stay the extra day. But I don't know about the others.
Okay, last chance. Anyone? No? Okay. Leslie?
They're all correct. The formula is if plus a present tense plus will plus an infinitive. First conditionals can refer to possible present or future consequences. The if clause can go at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle. And finally, it is possible to use the present simple, continuous, or perfect tenses. For example, if I play football, I will be healthy. If I'm playing football, I will be sweaty. And if I have played football, I will be tired.
Whoops! No points for you guys. You should know if you're on the Grammar Game Show, you won't be able to trust a word we say. Leslie!
An exceptional
Well
case.
done!
It's an
Will
exceptional
can be
case.
used in the conditional clause when a person is being insistent or showing irritation at someone. Another example would be, if you will leave the windows open when you go out, you will get burgled.
The reason for using so-called double will, ودي حاجة ممكن مش مستخدمة قوي بس what is the reason for using so-called double will in the first conditional is when the speaker is sad or happy or irritated or content. This is a special case. Don't do it in the exam. But if the speaker is irritated, if the speaker is annoying, insistent, will can be used in the if clause. So if you will keep parking incorrectly, you will get fined. Okay? لو ركنت بشكل غلط، ركنت عربيتك بشكل غلط في مكان الغلط، هيغرموك، هتدفع غرامة. You will get fined. يبقى هنا في ايه؟ irritation. عمل مشكلة. When the speaker is irritated or insistent, will can be used in the if clause. طب الكيس دي على طول بتيجي؟ لا مش على طول. اوكي؟ الاساس في الموضوع الستاندرد بتاعنا if plus simple present you will and then will plus the infinitive. Okay? And this is a special case. If plus will plus the infinitive and will plus the infinitive. Double will. Okay? When do we use this case? When do we use this? The reason for using so-called double will in the first conditional is when the speaker is sad or happy, irritated. Irritated.
Levington, 10 points for you. Okay, last question. How can we make a first conditional more formal?
We have to replace if with a word, either should or had.
You'll have to choose, I'm afraid. I would choose should if I were you. Trust me.
Aha! The answer is had.
Leslie?
Sorry, Sean, not quite right. We do replace the if, but with should. For example, if I go becomes should I go. And don't forget that in a negative, we use not instead of don't.
So to make the first conditional more formal, it's another case. It's another case. To make the first conditional more formal, بلغة رسمية أكثر رسمية, more formal. To make the first conditional more formal, we can use should and shouldn't, or can or want, can and want, might, doesn't, would, isn't.
should,
We can use should, or we can use can or might.
should,
You can use should. Should not see you, I will. Yeah, should. Good job.
For example, if I don't go, should I not go?
Wrong again, but if you can give me an example, I'll give you 20 points.
Should I get this correct, I will receive 20 points.
Well done! 20 points to Levington. Oh, I'm sorry, did you think I was talking to you? Never mind. And that brings us to the end of today's Grammar Game Show. And the winner is Levington. Well done.